Hello students and hello aspirants who are preparing for who are preparing for your state recruitment exam or some other competitive exam. So for all of you, today I'll bring you a new video of trigonometry. Only the trigonometric ratios you have to understand. This video is only for the trigonometric ratios. So in trigonometric ratios, you have to understand trigonometric ratios. What are the trigonometric ratios? Like sine, cosine, tangent, cosecant, secant, and cotangent. These are the 6 ratios of trigonometry. Before solving any further question or any toughest question of trigonometry, you have to understand these basics. So first of all, you will understand about the ratios. For example, trigonometry only deals with the right angle triangle. So if this is the right angle triangle ABC, likewise. So first, if it is right angle, that is a 90 degree, and opposite side of the right angle, it is hypotenuse always. Other two sides, which one will be the base and which one will be the perpendicular? कौन सा base होगा कौन सा perpendicular होगा, इसमें confusion होता है. For example, अगर मैंने एक को मान लिया, एक को अगर consider किया for solving trigonometric problems, then this side will be the base and this side will be the perpendicular. Now if I ask you, अगर मैंने पूछा A को हमको नहीं मानना है, मेरे को C मानना है, we have to consider the C as an angle for solving the trigonometric. This side will be the base, this side will be the base, and this side will be the perpendicular. So before understanding the ratios of trigonometry, you have to understand you have to remember one trick. Some people have curly black hair, turns permanently black. ये ट्रिक कैसा यूजफुल है? आउट ऑफ द 6 ट्रिगोनोमेट्रिक रेशियोज, 6 ट्रिगोनोमेट्रिक रेशियोज से आपको पहला 3 याद हो जाएगा, फिर बाकी 3 हो जाएगा याद, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं इसमें. सो फर्स्ट ट्रिगोनोमेट्रिक रेशियो, इफ यू अंडरस्टैंड दिस, इफ आई एम कंसिडरिंग sin C, for example, we will start with the angle A, right? एंगल के हिसाब से बेस ऑफ परपेंडिकुलर ऑल्टर होता रहेगा, ये आपको ध्यान में रखना होगा. नाउ वी विल स्टार्ट विद एंगल A, सो दिस विल बी द बेस, दिस विल बी द perpendicular, like sine of angle A. What is the sine of angle A? Some people have, so S denote sine, P denote perpendicular, H denote hypotenuse. So sine will be perpendicular by hypotenuse. This you have to understand. Now Roman number 2, cos of angle A, curly black hair, C denotes cos, B denotes base, H denote hypotenuse. So cos A will be base by hypotenuse. Now number 3 is what? 10 ऑफ, आई हैव टोल्ड यू, मैंने क्या बोला था, ये तीनों याद हो जाएगा तो बाकी तीनों याद हो जाएगा. 10 is what? Turns permanently black. T for 10, P for perpendicular, and B for base. So 10 will be perpendicular by base. Now other three remaining three you can find out. This sine, cos, tan are the abbreviation for the sine, cosine and tangent. Cosecant will be cosec of A. Cosec A is the reciprocal form of sine A. Cosec is the reciprocal form of sine A. Sine A perpendicular by hypotenuse है तो ये cosec का वैल्यू कितना होगा? Hypotenuse by perpendicular. अब वन नंबर 5 क्या बचा हुआ है? सेकेंड का एब्रीविएशन क्या है? सेक. Sec A is a reciprocal form of cos A, 1 by cos A, and cos A is base by hypotenuse, so will be hypotenuse by base. The last, the final cotangent is the abbreviation form of cotangent is cot of A, and cot A का reciprocal क्या होता है? tan A, 1 by tan A. So 10A is perpendicular by base, तो ये क्या होगा? Base by perpendicular. Now I have included the reciprocal form. Reciprocal form मैंने साथ में पढ़ा दिया, इसको reciprocal form बोलते हैं. There are two special form for the trigonometric ratios. 7. 10A we can write in the other form. 10A is sin A by, this is a special form. और कोटे को हम लोग क्या लिख सकते हैं? कोटे we have understood, हमको क्या पता है? कोटे is a reciprocal form of 10A. 10A अगर sin A by cos A तो कोटे क्या होगा? cos A by sin A. This is the special form of trigonometry. This all formulas are the trigonometric ratios formulas. So for any competitive exam, if you understand the trigonometric ratios, you can crack or you can solve any higher level questions. This is my assurance to you.